wasted time. Let's waste some time together.
Yo guys, welcome to this brand new video. Server is done for those of you who may ask themselves what server is he playing on, and today we're going to get into some kind of explanation. Yo, Dr. Xy, what kind of explanation? As well as some reaction I'm getting into. Look, I uploaded a video, last video I uploaded. It's got tons of critic from Clan and some other people, but we will get into that bullshit later, okay? But let's first off kick things off with, you see my man Broke joined Concordia, Broke's leveling, Broke is doing fine. He's also having a YouTube channel, so check that out. Most likely he will comment on this video and I can pin that for you guys to check his channel out. Second point for today is you guys been asking for cigar videos and reviews. Well, unfortunately, this is a Celtic channel, it's gonna stay like that, but fortunately for you, I have a twin brother that looks just like me, and he's having a cigar and watch channel where he compares real watches to replica watches, as well as smokes a lot of cigars, so check that out in the comment down below as well. Now for the third and final point. Okay, let me read to some comments here for you guys. Okay, let's read through this first comment here. It's on the screen for you guys right now. Some guy called Devil's Pride, whatever. So check it out. He basically just said that I was his favorite Celtic YouTuber, and no, I'm a joke. Okay, first off, I couldn't care less. Okay, because I know the people that watch me and that like my videos, like my content and my personality will completely understand why I upload that video. And nobody that really gives a fuck is even gonna give a fuck about it, okay? And let's talk about it a little bit, because this comment sums up a lot of things, okay? Number one is, he says that I said they would be mocking us, or me at bosses. That is true, but it's not mocking, it's more insulting and disrespecting us. Because, let me give you a background. I came to Dawn like 2 years ago, had nothing, joined Concordia, worked my ass off, now I'm a pretty decent gay rogue, way above the average. I got a clan, got a family, got a growing YouTube channel, got a growing alt, this ranger, and have a lot of fun playing the game again. Anybody that comes to Dawn or any server has the same chance of getting into a certain spot where they naturally belong. For me, it was true that if I wanted to go to a new server, I would have tried to get in a top clan. It doesn't matter if you play on Epona or Baylor, because these guys will roll for drops. Dominant clan server, you will have to get into the top clan at some point to reach endgame. I always said I want to be that endgame rogue, okay? And so naturally, we have a lot of people that leave our clan at a certain point because they feel like, yo, only generals and guardians getting that good gear and all that bullshit. Then they leave and they form second top clans and not top clans, but second clans. So naturally, every server has their own hierarchy. And in Dawn's hierarchy, Concordia is on the top, yes. We never mock around people, we never insult people, okay? Because we don't have to. We don't even talk to people outside the clan at all, really. It's just, we just kill the boss and talk in the group. So that's it. But the new clans that have risen from people that left our clan lately, stole our bank's gear, abused the system, fucked with the chief. You know, you always have these guys in Vikings, for example, or other clan of the server. There's a guy that insulted our chief's family. So he's fucking with them like that. That's not cool. There's a barrier where you can see, like, don't cross it or cross it. You only have these two options. If you cross a certain barrier in this game, you cannot go in any top clan anymore because you ruined your reputation forever and for good. So all the problems you make up are just all because of yourself, and that really applies to these people, okay? So their clan consists of people that left Attraction, which was also a clan formed by former Concordia members that left because of drama and shit, people that took our gears, people from Vikings, like all that stuff piles together in a giant pile of, and that is what that clan is right now. And for me to make a video where I openly laugh about their pathetic try to kill Mortis in 2020, when they have the levels, they have the numbers, and the strategies anywhere online, like I myself have tons of videos. Here's a picture of the fucking strategy for you guys. Check that out here, okay? So it's every fucking thing is out there. All you know, every fucking boss, even Dino, the newest endgame boss, it's out there. The strategies are out there. So for me to make this video, it only showed me I did the right thing, because the comments confirmed me what I had in mind from the start. These people were a bunch of dickheads. And if you guys were to read through the comments yourself, you can pretty much confirm that. Then another comment from a guy called Jesse Stusser, or whatever that is, a woman or a man, I don't know, I don't care about that. Comment is, I'm sad to see that a giant clan like this can attack people for failures. Don't think others record your failures. Why would you do that? It's horrible. Well, yeah, because we don't fail. The only boss we failed on recently was Dino, like D2, because it reset, the nukes blew off, and the whole thing wiped. But now, after a month of working hard for that, we found a way in killing that, and we're not failing on that. And Mortis, it's 2020. How can you fail on fucking Mortis in 2020? When you have the number, have the levels, you got the leaks, and just zerk through it. I've seen 6 people doing it. By the way, here's a screenshot of what happened. You see, I killed the Mortis. I was talking shit about it. I killed it. See, that's how you do it. Shit talk that motherfucking dragon and then kill it. There we go, a man. Zeus commenting True Heroes. Great man. Completely agree with that. Honest guy. My best friend on Celtic Heroes, period. Next comment starts off with, for Bobby Hicks, he starts like, this guy's very arrogant. Yeah, maybe I'm arrogant. Maybe I just, yeah. Yeah, maybe I'm arrogant. I don't know. You be the judge. Then we go Dark Gaming 77, which is naturally like he's in the clan. I made this video about, so of course you gotta hate, you know. And he said, 4-minute video of you mocking people for trying to kill the boss. Great job, buddy, but you're the literal definition of a loser. Well, I think that's kind of contradicting itself because you failed at the boss, so. And I killed the boss in the end, so winner, loser, I don't know. Maybe you got something mixed up there, bro. Then whatever, you can see this here, post screenshot on display for you guys here. He commented all that bullshit. Like, he kept on talking. Who gives a fuck about that shit? Another comment is from a guy called Clutch. It's like, the clan's what, 3 weeks old? Concordia been around for 5 years almost, just saying. How does it even fucking matter? It's 2020. It's not like all the people that are in Knights, they joined the game 3 weeks ago. It doesn't matter. Your comment doesn't matter. It makes no sense, okay? Don't have to say much more about that. Last thing to say about that, literally half the people that are in that clan have some Concordia gear on them because people leave the clan and sell their gear to the auction house. It's the first thing what people do when they leave our clan. They spam our gear on the auction house for whatever reason. I don't know how gold can matter more than the clansmanship. I don't know. I just can't understand that. Another guy called Ismail Muritala, sorry if I mispronounce your name, don't want to start any beef with you, bro. He said he doesn't know what type of beefs they're on, but I should have done the video, blah blah blah, and every clan is wiped on Modi at some point. Technically right, the last point. Just technically. And let's be honest, your comment isn't necessary either, so yeah, you be the judge again. What I found funny about this is that he used the same sentence as the other guy before, like, this guy has been around for just a little time. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. Then we got my favorite comment from Susan Sharrett. I know who that is. Shout out to you. She's great. She's great. She's awesome. She's doing that barbecue. It's a Concordia insider, what she wrote there, so you may not understand if you're not in the clan. She said, see Ross doing a hamster. That's great, except he was the main tank. Hint for raid success is preferable to keep the tank alive. Completely agree with you there. Completely agree. And I fucking love that hamster inside. It's great. Now, I said best for last. I saved it for you guys. It's from a player called Fallen Angel, I guess. And they said, I wish they just shut down Don because of them. And them is Concordia in this case. And I was like, what the fuck? Like, why would any developing team shut out a server because of a clan, like a top clan that worked their way up there? Like, makes no sense. It's just stupid. Then another one, it's a classic. It's go play with ult, please. You only get gear and conks because you're a YouTuber. You don't even boss. That is so wrong on so many levels. If you were to, for example, compare my gear, my rogue gear, from when I started on Dawn to now, you can kind of see there's a lot of progress being made, and naturally that comes down to bossing. And I'm a pretty active bosser. Since I returned to the game, I'm back full-time again, and I'm a pretty active bosser. And that is, we work with a sort of DKP system called attendance points. And to get the items I got, you gotta get some attendance points. It's common sense. As well as I'm Guardian in the clan. Guardian rank doesn't come from being a YouTuber, like nobody gives a shit. Only 50% of the clan is just a bold assumption here. Do even know why people call me Eggsy. Like, the other 50% are like, what the fuck, who is Eggsy? And they'll just say Beetle. Well, anyways, the comments going on again. Fast forward a little bit. We got Jesse Sasso. Hey, they're back. The comment is, why would you not receive hate? You made a hate video to humiliate people for no other reason than to get gear on a game. You clearly need a shrink. I mean, what? Like, does it even make sense? I made this video because it was fun to me and my clannies. Fun fact about this video wasn't even called Knights Anna vs Morty in any time. It was just called The Wipe. I had this video on private for a time, so my clan could enjoy it, which they did. It was funny. It's a good video, not gonna lie. Even my special effects are really cool. I know, I really high-end technology, VFX shit right there. But yeah, then I got told, yo, make the video public. It's gonna be fun. Last comment I wanna go into today is again from Jesse Stasser. It's at Dr. Xer. I don't really care if you're killed or not. The spotlight still remains on your disgraceful behavior. You make your clan look bad by doing this kind of stuff. You also make yourself look bad. Well, thanks for the comment. Yeah, I don't know. You be the judge of that again. Like, I don't know. Anyways, I haven't said it for today's video, but I'm smoking another stogie. Pictures on the screen again, as usual. I'm having a good cigar and just enjoying myself. I wish you all a nice week, and I hope you guys understand me a little better after I read all these comments for you guys.
When you're too tense, it's common sense to relax-vous. The more you earn, the less you learn to relax-vous.
We French, you'll find, are more inclined to relax-vous. Relax, relax, relax.
Don't take it so serious. Everything in life is a love story. Don't take it so serious. It shouldn't be so scary, it's a fairy tale. Don't take it so serious.